Hey guys, welcome back. So I was just gonna get right into the video, like no intro or anything, but I decided I wanted to give a little disclaimer, but I also wanted this video to be a little more casual than my usual videos, so it's like very vlog style and all of that. Oh my god, I am freezing, but I am wearing my I jumped off the Jaws Bridge at Martha's Vineyard shirt today. No, I did not do this today. I'm wearing the shirt today. And just like sweat pants because it's cold. It's super, super cold out. It's like 10 degrees and I am tired, to be honest. Like it felt like a comfy day to me. So we're gonna get to the cleaning. I just wanted to give that little disclaimer, as well as we aren't just cleaning, we're also organizing a little bit of like things for the week that I do weekly. But so yeah, enjoy this satisfying clean with me.
Withdrawal symptoms. I found something special, and it's just for you. You should come over later and enjoy the view. I found something special, and it's just for you. You should come over later and enjoy the view.
When I saw you, didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you asked where to write your name on my wall. Wish I met you at 16, wish I could have taken taking you to prom. Better late than never. I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never. Better late than never. Good days and bad days, I know I can call you, 'cause you always have answers to problems that I could never solve. Never met green eyes, I love to get lost in this much. Now all the time that we have left doesn't seem like it's enough. Better late than never. I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever. All the love I made and lost before we met seems so far gone. I wish it wouldn't have taken so long, but better late than never. I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did for you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Oh, it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never.
Running through my head, the things I wanna say, reflecting on your eyes, what's inside your mind, You say it's hard to see cold, you're moving fast, I move slow, we're both losing control. You say it's wrong, I say right, you wanna talk on one line, we're both losing this fight. Now you're screaming all your thoughts, and now you're right back at you. We are mutually exclusive with two different points of view. Words go over both our heads, yet we're asking ourselves how we don't listen to each other. We're just two mouths talking loud, talking loud, talking loud now, now. Talking loud, talking loud now, now. Talking loud now, now. We're just two mouths talking loud. Won't give it a rest, put patience to the test,
Feel the cool air, inhale, exhale. Now I can see my life for the first time in some time, without judgment or expectations or budgets. I know that I'm susceptible to the show, 'cause I'm so close to the glitz and the glow. Yeah, it's hard not to chase the zeros when they're dangled in front of your nose. That's just the way that it goes.
Another end of the night, here I am by your side again. I couldn't hide what I've been keeping inside, so I tried to deny it again.
Right, you guys, that is a wrap. on this clean with me. I hope you enjoyed, and I love cleaning. See you next week.